Congratulations on purchasing the Arlo Audio Doorbell from the nation's #1 connected internet brand. The Arlo Audio Doorbell comes in 2 packaging options. The standalone doorbell, a perfect complement to your existing Arlo security system, and various security kit formats. In this video, we'll be installing the Arlo Pro 2 Plus Audio Doorbell System, a complete home security solution. It's fully compatible with other Arlo cameras and companion devices, like Arlo Chime. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Arlo 2 Plus Audio Doorbell System in just 7 simple steps. This video is for owners who are replacing an existing wired doorbell. First, you'll want to plug in your base station and connect the Ethernet cable to your home router. The camera comes fully charged. Just place the battery inside with the logo facing up. You can set up your Arlo base station and camera using the free Arlo app. Just go to the Devices tab, press the plus button at the top right, select base station, and follow the on-screen instructions. Repeat this step for connecting your wire-free cameras as well. Now you're ready to set up your Arlo Audio Doorbell. Again, go to the Devices tab, press the plus button at the top right, and select Doorbell. When the app detects the base station, select Continue. The app will then remind you to place the batteries in the doorbell and press Continue. Select Continue again when you see the white light around the doorbell. When the device is found, the app will immediately update the firmware. Next, name your doorbell and pair it with your camera. You'll be asked if you want to use your existing chime. Select Yes to use your existing wiring. Now you're ready to head outside. Select an unobstructed camera location and slide the magnetic wall mount onto the screw provided. Secure the camera to the wall mount and adjust for the widest view of your doorstep. You may place the second camera over another entry point in your home. A mechanical doorbell makes 2 distinct sounds when you press and depress the button. A digital chime plays 1 tone when the button is pressed. Now you're ready to replace the doorbell, but first, make sure you turn off the breaker. With the doorbell removed, connect the wires to the back of your battery cover. The order of the wiring doesn't matter. Use the wires and wire connectors in the box if they're too short. Then secure the battery cover to the wall and turn the breaker back on. There's a switch at the bottom of your doorbell. Set it in position 2 if you are replacing a mechanical doorbell, or positions 1 or 3 if you're replacing a digital doorbell. As a final step, test your devices by pressing the doorbell button. You should receive a notice on your smart device. When you accept the call, you'll see video from the camera and hear audio from the doorbell. Now that your doorbell works correctly, tighten the security screw at the bottom. Now you're all set. With the Arlo Audio Doorbell, you'll be able to answer the door no matter where you are.
Hi there, you can leave the package outside. Thanks.
For more Arlo content, please visit the community pages at arlo.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.